Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Google Veo 2 and Kling. In order to do so, here we are at aistudio.google.com, and here's where we can generate video with Veo 2, and we're also at klingai.com. But what is the comparison between the two? Well, I went ahead and generated a prompt with both of them. I did an identical prompt, and we can take a look at the results together. So the prompt here is a person swimming, thrashing around, drowning, water splashing, scared, Pacific Northwest cinematic documentary, and I used the negative prompt, ugly, distorted, and I didn't want the character wearing goggles, so I put in goggles. So let's go ahead and take a look at Veo 2 first, and then we'll take a look at Kling to see what kind of results we got. So very good, nice quality. Didn't quite catch the prompt. He's not really swimming. He's not really thrashing around. He's not really drowning, but he is scared and he is in the water, and the quality is quite good. So overall, quite impressive. But let's go ahead and take a look at what Kling has done, and we'll do a comparison. So same prompt and same negative prompt as well. This one's a bit shorter. This one's 5 seconds compared to 8 seconds, but let's go ahead and take a look. There it goes. Okay. So I would say that quite obviously Kling wins in this round. This is really quite good. The quality is really nice. I'm getting everything that I looked for. The person is swimming, is drowning, is scared, is in the Pacific Northwest. And just to point out, this is using the 1.6 model. They do have the 2.0 model now, but however, it does cost quite a few more credits. But the 1.6 model is still really good, and the results here are really quite nice. So comparing this with what we got with Veo 2, I would say that in this case, Kling wins. Now, it is always a bit of a roll of the dice when it comes to video generation. Sometimes you're going to get the quality that you're looking for. Other times it's not going to work out and you have to do multiple tries. So in this case, on the first try, Kling really got it. Whereas with Veo 2, yes, the results are really quite nice, but the prompt, the generation is really not following the prompt as closely as what we got with Kling. So in this case, Kling is the winner, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.